Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 29th of March. The euro dropped sharply against the US dollar after managing to regain some previous losses. The pair is moving below 128 as it's trying to settle in a new lower level, having digested the bailout in Cyprus. Looking ahead, the single currency has some tough issues to overcome. The Cyprus banks may have opened, but Italy's president has yet to form a government, as all efforts so far for a coalition have failed. Italy is one of the heavyweights when it comes to government debt, as well as Spain. These two countries will pose a serious threat to the common currency should the political deadlock spill over effects on the economy. The Australian dollar is picking up gains against the US dollar. The Aussie, moving above 104.20, could move into lower lows if it doesn't overcome its downward trend line. The Canadian dollar is moving sideways against the US dollar at around 101.60. So should no news come into play, check buying a butterfly option on the pair and gain if the price stays the same. Weekly option volatilities for the euro dollar remained at around 10 as fear in the market subside and option premiums are kept consistent. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 127.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 127.85. The dollar-yen pivot point's at 94.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 94.50. The Aussie-dollar pivot point's at 104.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.45. The sterling-dollar pivot point's at 151.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 151.15. And the dollar-CAD pivot point's at 102 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102. Looking at commodities and indices, oil pivot point's at 94.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 94.85. The gold pivot point's at 1590 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1590. The silver pivot point's at 28.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.15. The US 500 is at 1540 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1540. And the UK 100 is at 6270 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6270. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers, all in the US. At 12:30 GMT, we have the core PSE price index month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.1%. Also at 12:30 GMT, we have the personal spending month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.6%. And again, at 12:30 GMT, we have the personal income month-on-month forecast to rise by 1%. And our interesting pair to end the week is the British pound Australian dollar. The British pound has reversed its trend against the Australian dollar. The pair dropped from a high of 146.17 to 145.60 after failing to break above previous resistances. We could see the pair slide lower as there's no strong support until 144.20. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Amanda from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.